Minimum Viable Brand, or MVB, is a brand new AI software that's shaking up the digital marketing scene. In this video, I'm diving into the 7 most important things you need to know about MVB AI to determine if it's right for your brand or business. Stick around to find out if this tool can really live up to the hype or if it's just another passing trend. First things first, MVB AI is built to streamline and optimize the process of building and managing a brand online. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or a digital entrepreneur, this tool claims to help you develop your brand in the most efficient way possible using AI. What's fascinating here is how it positions itself not just as a tool for creatives, but for anyone looking to make their digital presence stronger, faster, and smarter. And guess what? You can try this software completely free from the first link below. Now, let's break down what makes MVB AI stand out. The first thing you'll notice with MVB is its ability to generate strong brand identities quickly. It uses AI to analyze your target market, competitors, and current branding trends to produce a unique, tailored brand guide. This is a game changer for businesses that need a well-defined brand but don't have the resources for expensive design teams or consultants. The software pulls together all the elements you typically need to create a standout brand, from color schemes to logo styles to tone of voice. Secondly, MVB AI offers impressive content creation capabilities. It's not just about the visuals. It's about generating the right messaging that resonates with your audience. The AI helps you craft emails, social media posts, and even blog content that aligns with your brand's voice, saving you hours of writing and editing. If you're someone who struggles with writer's block or just needs help creating compelling content, this is a massive time saver. Third, MVB focuses heavily on automation. Instead of spending time manually managing campaigns or overseeing every detail of your marketing funnel, MVB AI automates the process. This includes everything from ad management to email sequences, optimizing your outreach efforts without you needing to do all the heavy lifting. It's like having an entire marketing department at your fingertips, running on autopilot. Fourth, one of the most powerful features of MVB AI is its deep data analytics. The software analyzes your brand's performance in real time, offering insights into customer behavior, engagement rates, and conversion rates. This allows you to adjust your strategies on the fly, ensuring you're always aligned with your business goals. Data-driven decision-making is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity, and MVB AI makes that easy for everyone. Fifth, the integration capabilities of MVB are impressive. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or other marketing platforms, MVB AI integrates seamlessly. This means you don't have to worry about silos or compatibility issues. Everything works together, making it easier for you to manage your entire digital ecosystem without bouncing between multiple tools. Sixth, MVB AI isn't just for established businesses. It's designed to be simple and intuitive enough for startups or entrepreneurs looking to build their brand from the ground up. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can start creating a brand identity without a steep learning curve. If you're looking to establish a brand fast with minimal effort, MVB AI could be a game changer. Seventh, the flexibility of MVB is something you can't ignore. Whether you need a complete brand overhaul or just some quick tweaks to an existing identity, MVB AI offers customization options that allow you to scale your brand as your business grows. It doesn't matter if you're a one-person operation or leading a growing team. MVB adapts to your needs. So, is MVB AI the best tool for building and scaling your brand? The answer depends on your needs. But after trying out thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say it's one of the most comprehensive, user-friendly options out there. If you're looking for a way to elevate your brand, streamline your marketing, and make data-driven decisions, MVB AI is definitely worth checking out. If you're ready to dive in, you can try MVB AI for free from the first link in the description. And as always, I've linked my recommended AI software tools below after testing countless platforms. I only share what I've personally tried and believe will bring value to you. Don't forget to check those out and let me know your thoughts on MVB AI in the comments.